Welcome to today's music lesson. Today you're going to learn about beats and rhythms, and especially about two musical symbols that we use to signify beats. Today you're going to learn about the quarter rest, which is this guy right here, and the quarter note, which is this one on the right side. The quarter rest indicates one beat of silence. So this one means one beat of silence. Nothing happens on a rest. However, on a quarter note, you're symbolizing one beat of something. It might be one beat of clapping, or of singing, or of playing an instrument. So one beat of silence is the quarter rest, and one beat of some kind of music is the quarter note. So now we're going to use quarter rests and quarter notes to create some rhythms. Let's start with the quarter note, and we'll just use 4 quarter notes in a row to create a very simple rhythm. So here are 4 quarter notes in a row. If I was going to clap this rhythm, it would sound like this. If I play this rhythm on a piano, it might sound like this. And now you're reading rhythms using quarter notes. Let's make it a little bit more interesting though, and take out one of the quarter notes and add a quarter rest. So now we'll put a quarter rest where our 3rd quarter note was. So now we have a quarter note, one beat, another beat with a quarter note, and then a beat of silence where nothing happens, and then one more beat on a quarter note. Here's what it sounds like if I clap this rhythm. Here's what it might sound like on a piano. Now let's use quarter notes and quarter rests to create an interesting rhythm that's maybe just a little bit more complicated. So let's put a quarter note there and put a rest here and get creative. And let's see. Let's put another note here, and we will create something like this. So we have one beat followed by one beat of rest, 2 more quarter notes, so 2 beats of notes or clapping, followed by another beat of rest, and then 3 notes at the end. If I were to clap this rhythm, it would sound like this. Listen one more time. If I played this rhythm on a piano, it might sound like this. Finally, if I were to play this rhythm on a piano and use more notes to create music, it might sound like this. And that's the beginning of beats and rhythms using quarter notes and quarter rests.